So for making this rasam, we need 6 to 7 pods of garlic, 1 medium-sized tomato, a few coriander leaves, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, tamarind pulp extracted from a lemon-sized tamarind. I've also taken 1 tablespoon of lentil, cooked it well and kept it aside. And finally, for tempering the rasam, we need a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few seeds of Urad dal, some mustard seeds, 2 dried red chilies and a few curry leaves. So let's start making the rasam. I've taken the pan for making the rasam, and before lighting up the stove, firstly I'm going to add in the lentil pulp. Next, I'm going to add in the mashed garlic. I've cut the tomato into 4 pieces and added that also. Nextly, I'm going to add the tamarind pulp. First we'll add little, then later check the taste, and if we need more, we can add more. So now I'm going to thoroughly mix all this with my hand. Next I'll add the turmeric powder and the Asafoetida powder. So now I'm adding about 1 cup of water. So I've checked this taste, the tanginess is enough. So now I'm adding in the salt and give it again a good mix with your hand. You can either use a spoon also. Next, you can light up the stove and keep it on sim. As the bubbles start appearing on the rasam, you should switch off the flame. You should not allow the rasam to boil. Next, we need to temper the rasam. For that, I've kept a small pan, and when it's hot, I'm adding in oil. I'm using coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add in all the ingredients for tempering. Firstly, the mustard seeds and the urad dal. The dried red chilies, curry leaves, and finally goes the cumin seeds. Switch off the flame. And pour it on the rasam. Finally, garnish with the chopped coriander leaves along with its stem. Now the tasty rasam is ready to be served.